And guys, welcome to another episode of SHINICHI'S. Before you continue, please don't forget to like and share our channel, and please hit the bell button for you to be notified there's a new video. Papatukan na tayo ngayon sa kanila kasi nakapasok na sila ngayon. So now, hey! We're going to give them a food. Na. Yan yung mga binyo natin kanina eh. So bubuksan natin to para makapasok yung mga ano. Bubuksan na natin yan. Ayan na. Yun lang guys, ganun lang sistema natin pagka ano, pag may suggestion kayo, suggestion nyo ako para ano tayo. Hi Chi, toothbrush ka na Chi. Col Col Col. Ayun lang guys, pinakita ko lang sa inyo ang ating ano, ginagawa dito.
This is Banban.
Hey, who's that? Hey Banban, this is the only one Banban who eat all our kamote. Who eat all our plants here. Like this.
Can we show our parrot?
Ha?
Can we show that parrot?
Okay. Dito na sila oh. Look at them.
Where's my pigeon there?
Here, the black one.
Oh yeah! How
Your
did
parrot pigeon.
How did it come back so fast?
Yeah, they are the view, no? We put in viewing. Come here. What will show now? Are you parrots? Oh, gusto nyo kamatis here, oh. Yes po.
Right there.
Where's your parrot? Hey, this is a new parrot. I think they're inside. Ah, they're inside. See?
Sleeping.
Sleeping. Where are they? They sleeping or they fly away? I'll check them here.
I don't know.
Hey, it's not here. It's not here.
Maybe there.
Maybe here, yeah. You're right. Hey!
Hi.
Hey!
Oh, so
They're making love over there. Hey! Hey guys. Okay. Hey! They hide again. Let's go. Later we'll see that. Come here. There's one parrot there. Come here. We'll see them later. Yan lang guys. Oh, see you next time. Bye.